Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce MobilitySound new released BTH 600 for Mobile Tornado Android. And BTX 600 is a Bluetooth speaker microphone designed for Mobile Tornado, a POC walkie-talkie POC solution. And today we are going to introduce this microphone and show you how it works. First of all, let me introduce each part on the BTX 600. First of all, you will see the speaker, microphone, and from its left side, you will see the PTT button. And this orange button is for cell phone voice code. And look at the right side, you will see the volume control button and the LED pipe to see the status of BTX 600. And this is a back clip. Okay, let me show you how it works. First of all, start your Bluetooth function of the cell phone, and then switch on the BTX 600. Okay, BTX 600 now is in pairing mode. Okay, you will see the device and connect it, and you will hear the beep sound. Okay, let's go to Mobile Tornado Instant Talk. Start it. You will hear the second beep tone. That is mean that the PTT is connect. The PTT of the BTX 600 is connect to Mobile Tornado. Okay, let's make some test. Start Instant Talk on another smartphone. Okay, press the PTT button. Wait. Okay, press the PTT button. 1 2 3 1 2 3.
1 2 3 1 2 3.
Test again. 1 2 3 1 2 3.
1 2 3 1 2 3.
Okay, let's test the speaker. 1 2 3 1 2 3.
1 2 3 1 2 3.
1 2 3 1 2 3.
1 2 3 1 2 3.
Okay, you can also adjust the volume on the speaker mic. Okay, that's the presentation of BTX 600.